Hey guys, how you doing? This is Travis. I'd like to welcome you back to the channel. Well guys, if you happen to pick up one of these, a newer MacBook Air, chances are you got one of these, a MagSafe 2 charger. Now if you're a long-time Apple user, there's a pretty good chance you got one or more of these sitting around, the MagSafe 1 charger. Unfortunately, these two plugs are not compatible, which means you're going to have to do something with this if you want to keep using it. Well, stay tuned guys, because I'm going to show you something you can pick up. It's relatively inexpensive, and it's going to let you use this with that new MacBook Air or a newer Mac. Alright, stay tuned guys. Here we go. Alright guys, so if you've been a Mac user for quite a while, you know on their laptops there's basically two types of power plugs that you run into on their MagSafe adapters. You got this guy right here, which is kind of a stock style. Ours is already starting to fall apart, so it's been taped. Then we also have an older one from, I don't know if this is from an iBook or an older MacBook that we bought back in the day. You have this style of plug also, okay? So the thing is that these two chargers have been compatible. You wouldn't have any issues if you had one of these old ones floating around. You could use it. You can pick these up used really cheap. Same situation here. These two would work interchangeably on your Mac laptops. Well, with the introduction of the slimmer laptops that came out, and I don't know if this was with the original MacBook Air or not, but either way, you've got this new plug, this real thin plug, right? Now, unfortunately, this guy is not compatible with your older MacBook. So if you're a family that has multiple Macs or you've got multiple chargers sitting around and you want to keep using them, there's just a little tiny thing that you need to do, okay? And the solution to be able to use this, your MagSafe 1 charger, with your newer MacBook Air that uses this type of plug for a MagSafe 2, right, is to simply pick up one of these. So what we have here is the Apple MagSafe 1 to MagSafe 2 adapter. Okay, these little guys run $9 on Amazon.com. I'm going to try to get that in focus for you there. It's called the MD504LL\A. And I know, Apple should just give you one of these when you buy the laptop, but Apple's never about giving any kind of really attachments or dongles or add-ons or anything like that make you buy everything. It's just part of their sales method. But anyway, what's cool about this, it's very simple. You just take your MagSafe 1 charger connector, has a magnet, it just basically snaps on into place. Plug this into your MacBook Air or any kind of computer that you have that uses this MagSafe 2 charger, and you're good to go. That is all that it takes. Alright, so just a real quick demonstration of how this works. You got your MagSafe 1 charger, you got your adapter, it just snaps into place, magnets keep it together. Go ahead and plug it into your machine. And again, this is my MacBook Air, and as you can see, we've got electricity, got the little green light on there, so we are good to go. And it just seems like such a, common sense thing, oh, I'll just go look for an adapter, but I didn't even think about it at the time. I was so frustrated with the fact that I couldn't use my old adapters with my new computer. It didn't even occur to me that there might be something out there that you can use. Again, the fact you got the Apple licensed part means that you should not have issues with voltage and shorting out and so on. Again, nice thing about this, it allows you to use your older chargers. I have not had any problems at all, and I've tried this on two different MagSafe 1 chargers. They both charge up the laptop just fine. These come in different wattage amounts, and so your charging times may vary. You might have one of the older models, like an 85 watt model charger versus a 55 watt model charger, and there's a possibility that the 85 could charge faster or slower. It just kind of depends, but I've had no problems with this so far, and this does stick into the laptop. When I pull it out, the dongle, the little attachment here, does stay attached to the plug itself on the MagSafe 1, even though it's got a magnet on it, and technically it's magnetized to go into the MacBook Air that I'm using. So this is just a relatively inexpensive solution to a lot of waste that this can produce, especially if you don't use these things. They're just sitting around the house, and I can get some life out of them. So guys, that is it. Just pick yourself up the MagSafe to MagSafe 2 converter. Okay, again, they got these over on Amazon.com for $9. They do work really well. It's an actual Apple product, so it is Apple authorized. It's not going to cause any problems. It's not going to short out. There are companies that make little pouches with like strings attached to them that you can put these in, so you can put them on and pop them off and use your chargers interchangeably, especially if you bounce between a couple different laptops. And if you pick one of those up, those are nice too, so you don't have to worry about losing this guy. But anyway, guys, that is it. That is your solution to be able to use MagSafe 1 on MagSafe 2 devices safely, not have any problems, not have to worry about shorting out the machine. So guys, if you like what you see, please like or subscribe. You can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Okay, I got a lot of videos coming your way, a lot more vintage Mac reviews coming up for you too, so I hope you enjoy the channel, and it's been good getting feedback from you. But if you have any other solutions that you've ever found or any other ideas for using the MagSafe 1 to MagSafe 2, please chime in down below, and it'd be great to hear from you. So guys, that is it. want you to have fun. I want you to be safe. And as you know, we will talk to you soon. All right, guys, take care. Bye-bye.